Hello friends, welcome to 2 Bites of Marathi with
Amog and
Kaushik Lele. Today Amog is going to read for you a popular Marathi cartoon strip Chintu. We are going to read you two parts of it. Okay, Amog will read it and then I will explain you. So this is the scene where mother is scolding Chintu. Let's see what she is saying. What?
भांडलास ना परत तुला काय सांगितलेलं होतं.
आय विल रीड अगेन. भांडलास ना परत तुला काय सांगितलं होतं. भांडणे मीन्स टू क्वारल, टू हॅव एन आर्ग्युमेंट. सो यू आर्ग्यूड अगेन, राईट? व्हॉट डिड आय टेल यू? देन चिंटू सेज,
आधी मनाशी 10 आकडे मोजायचे.
आधी मनाशी 10 आकडे मोजायचे. 10 आकडे मीन्स 10 digits. You need to count from 1 to 10 in your mind. Then mother asks, मोजलेस? Did you count?
मग
Chintu says, मग? Yes. Then? And he continues.
बरोबर 11व्या आकड्याला मारामारी सुरू केली.
बरोबर 11व्या आकड्याला मारामारी सुरू केली. Exactly on 11th, on the count of 11, I started argument. I started quarreling. Now there is one more next part where father, mother are chatting with Chintu. So Chintu is asking, what?
पप्पा
मोठ्याने वाच.
पप्पा आजी आजोबा तुम्हाला ओरडायचे का काही?
का हो? पप्पा आजी आजोबा तुम्हाला ओरडायचे का हो? आजी आजोबा means grandma, grandpa. So he is asking, Daddy, would grandma, grandpa scold you? ओरडणे, to scold. Then father answers,
छे आम्ही तर
कायम
बाहेर खेळत असायचो.
So his answer, छे आम्ही तर कायम बाहेर खेळत असायचो. छे नो वे, आम्ही बाहेर खेळत असायचो. We used to play outside always. Then now Chintu asks his mother.
आई तुला?
And mother answers,
आई तुला?
आई तुला. And mother, what about you?
छे कधीच नाही. कधीच माझं बालपण फार मजेत गेलं.
So she answers, छे कधीच नाही. माझं बालपण फार मजेत गेलं. No, never. My childhood passed very happily. Then Chintu says,
मग माझं बालपण कधी मजेत जाणार?
Then Chintu says, मग माझं बालपण कधी मजेत जाणार? Then when will my childhood pass happily? Like he knows that his mother and father scolds him. But they never faced the scolding when they were a child. So he's saying, when will my childhood pass happily? So that's about today's part. Thank you for watching this video. And do visit my website learnmarathi with kaushik.com. Bye. See you in next video. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.